Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you people are doing great. Well everybody, earlier we did nouns according to the parts of speech. I hope you people remember. Well, in this video, the topic of our discussion will be pronouns. Now, look at this. Hi, my name is Sila. Joe is my best friend who always eats grass, but I don't. Joe likes to play volleyball. Joe cannot swim. Joe sleeps at 9 o'clock and wakes up at dawn. Joe never forgets to help others. Joe is a kind-hearted being. Well, everyone, after reading this paragraph, actually it was a paragraph, I have not written in such a way that it looks like a paragraph. Let's consider it as one, right? So what is one thing which is the repetition over here? Well, the repetition over here is, yes, think hard and let me know. Well, the repetition over here is Joe. What is the repetition? Joe. So, why do you think now that we use pronouns? Well, we use pronouns to avoid the repetition. Why do we use pronouns? We use pronouns to avoid the repetition. For example, look here all of you. What are pronouns? Well, pronouns are the words which we use instead of nouns. What are pronouns? The words which we use instead of nouns. For example, for one boy, we use he. For one girl, we use she. For one animal, we use it. For the other person, including the speaker, for many people and I considered that we use we. I will always be used for the speaker and you will be used for the listener. And for many people in which the speaker is not included, we use they. Now everybody, please, again, the same thing which we discussed earlier. My name is Sela. Joe is my best friend who always eats grass, but I don't. Now, instead of writing Joe, Joe, Joe again and again in every single sentence, what have I used? It. Well done. So we use it for single animal. Now, see, it looks better. It feels better. So whenever you're using a noun in a sentence, instead of consistently using the same name, you can use the pronoun. What can you use? The pronoun. What can you use? The pronoun. Alright. Now, let's continue. Now, what are pronouns one more time? Pronouns are the words which we use instead of nouns. So again, for one boy, what will you use? He. For one girl, she. For one animal, it. For one thing, you are also going to use it. For example, if I am going to say that this pencil belongs to Ikra Asif. So, instead of writing pencil, what can you use? It belongs to Ikra Asif. Right? Now, for the other person, including the speaker, what do we use? We. For speaker, we use I. And for listener, we use you. For many people, we use they. Okay, so let's understand the explanation and detailed definition of the word pronoun. Well, what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words which we use to replace repetitive nouns. Okay, for example, for singular ones, what are you going to use? Well, the singular pronouns, the single person pronouns, first person pronoun is I. Second person pronoun is you. Third person pronouns are he, either she or it. For many, in plural forms, the pronouns to replace the repetitive nouns for plural, first person will be we, second person will be you, and third person will be they. Well everybody, I hope you understood the topic. Now let's talk about the practice sheet. The girls annoyed us. The alarm rings loudly. Carl always wins this game. The pink bird is hiding in its nest. My friend and I enjoy watching badminton game. I'm working on a project. You are my favorite person. Here, in first sentence, what is the noun? The girls. So see, is it single or many? Singular or plural? Plural. So what are we going to replace the girls with? They. Second one, the alarm. Single. Excellent. So it. Third, Carl. What are you going to replace Carl with? Carl is the name of a boy, a single one. So he. The pink bird. Single. It. My friends and I. See, the speaker is included in this sentence with others. So what will we use? We. Then there is I and you. I is first person singular and you is second person singular. Here I know that you is used as a singular. Why? Because when you read the sentence, you'll get along. You are my favorite person. We are talking about one person. So this is second person singular. Alright? So everybody, what are pronouns? One last time. Let's revise. Pronouns are the words which we use instead of nouns. For example, the boy yawns. What can you use instead of the boy? He yawns. Excellent. The birds flew away. Many. So, they flew away. Now, I am talking to you. The speaker is talking to you. I will be used for that. The dog snores. It snores. Why? Because it is a single animal. What if I say the apple falls? Apple is also singular. It falls, right? Then let's talk about you and I are looking at the screen. We are looking at the screen. The girls laugh or the girl laughs. She laughs. Why? Because the girl is single. Now, this finger is pointing towards you. You are listening to this video. Well, that's all for today's video. Hope you understood the topic. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye all of you.